Okay, so in this video, I'm going to give you a high-level overhead of how the Heron code is organized. So as you can see behind my board, this is the root of the Heron code, and so we have a bunch of directories underneath, and the directories are organized into modules based on the functionality, whatever they do. So first we have is what you call as the scripts, and this directory consists of all the code that deals with scripts in order to make a Heron release and build packages, those kind of scripts. So there is another directory called tools, and the tools directory contains all the Bazel related configurations and rules file and all the various stuff that is used for compiling code. Then the third underscore party essentially provides all the software that Heron is dependent on, which is not the core software of Heron, but this is a third party software that we depend on and which we need to compile it for the platform. And the config is essentially like for native compilation, and that is gives you an idea about what platform that we are compiling on and all the constants and other platform specific constants that we need to kind of discover and generate. So the Docker directory contains all the scripts in order to build Heron release images using Docker in order so that we can make releases for Ubuntu as well as CentOS, or even for different versions of CentOS and Ubuntu as well. So this file contains several Docker files for one for CentOS 7, one for Ubuntu 14.04 and Ubuntu 15.10, and similarly like CentOS 6 is in the works. And we also have a way by which you can do launch Heron within a single Docker container as well. And all the scripts and other things are inside this. Then the bulk of the Heron code is in the Heron directory, and we will describe more in detail in another short video. And the integration test essentially consists of several integration tests that we exercise as we build the code. So for example, if you send in a pull request for that merge to occur, for every pull request, these Heron integration tests as well as unit tests are exercised to make sure that the code is stable enough, or whatever the PR that you sent in does not break anything. And finally, we have these release scripts, and the release scripts contains of several scripts and other things that allow you to launch or probably push jars into Maven Central for some of the API libraries that we publish for developing your topologies, or even for developing some core Heron components such as scheduler, uploaders, and state managers. So those kind of various things are possible. So this is all about the Heron high-level code overview. So we will see you in the next video, where we will talk about a little bit more about how the Heron core itself is organized.